What's up, Tater Tots? It's your girl Tati, back at it for another video. I'm actually filming a different video while I'm filming this. I might put them together, I might not. But right now, we're about to do my makeup and chit chat a little bit, of course. So let's just get into that. Update, I cut my own hair, if you didn't know. It looks alright. I mean, yeah, I ended up doing a 1 instead of 1.5 because I put it on the wrong thing. And of course, y'all all know about the patch that happens. And that was Noah. Basically, we're just gonna play around in some makeup because I have nothing better to do. You know what's crazy? I didn't even notice this bald spot until I got on camera. So, amongst all other things, including this bald spot that I have going on, I just have one more thing to worry about. That's great. Honestly, y'all, I'm gonna be so real. I'm in such a horrible mood that, like, I don't know what a chit chat's gonna do for us. Like, in all honesty, I don't know what it's gonna do for us because I'm not even gonna do my eyebrows yet because I don't know what I want to do. I'm gonna take concealer and put that all over my eyelid. This is the Makeup Revolution concealer in C15. I am honestly dragging it out some because I don't know what all I'm about to do, but I don't really like recording videos when I'm in this type of mood because it's sad to watch, it's sad to edit, and yeah, it's just all over irritated. So I don't really like to do stuff in this mode, but I just feel like, you know, I gotta do something, so might as well film a look. I'm gonna take my NYX Ultimate Shadow Palette in Phoenix. It looks like this. And I'm gonna play around with some of these colors and see what I come up with. I'm taking my AOA Studios E145 brush and I'm going to take this shade right here. And I'm going to put that in my crease. It's a really light shade. It's almost the same color as me, so it's a really good transition shade, I guess. While I like this brush, I don't really like it for what I'm using it for. It doesn't really feel the best. So I'm just gonna switch on to the next color in the next step. But before I move on, let me zoom in. I'm gonna take my AOA Studios E126 brush and I'm gonna go in with that same color. I'm gonna use this instead because I feel like it will really do what I need it to do. Next, I'm gonna jump into this purple shade right here, and I'm gonna use an AOA Studios E125 brush to put that in. You know, I'm just kind of using what I have available around me, so I'm gonna go in with the AOA Studios 126 brush. Let me use that instead to put on this purple color. And I'm going to take this Eco Tools blender and the black that's in here. I'm going to use that. I don't really, yeah. So I'm going to go back in with that purple and the AOA Studios brush, and I'm going to blend this out. Blend that black out. I'm going to go a little higher than my crease. But yeah, basically I like to go into what I call my second crease a little bit. Just because when you look straight forward, now you can see, when I look straight forward, you can kind of see that color that we put, that black. Now I'm doing is taking a little shader brush and going in my crease with this black. Just because I feel like I'm losing a lot of the black and I don't want to, so yeah. That's how I'm doing with that. Then I'm going in with this shade right here in my finger, and I'm going to put that on my lid. I'm just gonna take the shader brush, shade away, boom. Now we're gonna zoom out so we could do my face. I've really been into like skin. I don't really want to look like I have I won't say I don't want it to look like I'm have makeup on, because I do, but I want it to be runway model type of makeup that I have on. So I want lightweight makeup. So I'm going in with 8.5 NYX Photogenic Concealer, 8.6 I mean. Kinda using this as foundation, but not really. Look how orange I look. I'm not even gonna get into it. While I'm doing that, I'm gonna get into my brows. My brows are pretty simple. Or today they're going to be pretty simple. I'm literally just going to draw a line. And my logic or my thought process for this whole makeup look was like thinking basically, I feel like with my hair bald minus the patches, I look like a model. That's what I feel like. So if I'm going to look like a model, I might as well give you, you know, model realness. So that's what I'm attempting to do. So I'm going to blend this out. And this is a AOS Studios brush, of course. AOS Studios F8 brush. I haven't used this brush in a long time, so. You know what's crazy? It's like a part of me really wants to talk about like my demeanor and, you know, sort of this part of it. And then another part of me is just like, shut up and do the makeup. Like, let this be therapeutic for you. People don't really care about your life and all that stuff that you got going on that they could care less about. So I'll be like stuck in between modes of basically what I said, like, you look good, or I say you look good. Wow, Tati, I don't be thinking that. But I'm stuck in between modes of, you know, share a little bit about yourself and don't nobody care. Really in between those modes. Yeah. But so what I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna take just a little bit of my LA Girl and Espresso, and I'm going to highlight a little bit with that as well. Again, on the high points of my face. But with this, I'm not going to I'm not gonna let it sit much. I'm gonna take my F15 brush and I'm gonna blend this out. And this is just a flat paddle foundation brush. I don't know why this is my chosen weapon a lot of the time. So when I'm blending out concealer. Well, not a lot of times, but you know, I have my moments where I want to use it. I have my moments when I don't. I'm having one of the moments where I, you know, kind of want to use it, but then I'm just gonna go and take that other brush, sort of blend out my nose, kind of to clean it up, kind of to contour because it's a darker color. Take that on my forehead as well, just to like blend some stuff out, make sure I'm not making my forehead too light, you know, all that other type of stuff. Now I'm gonna do under my eyes. And for under my eyes, I want to switch to my high depth brush. It's an AO Studios 106, E106 brush. And I'm going to just sort of, face is sort of coming together. It looks good so far. Yeah. So I'm going to stick to the next step, which is bronzing. I'm going to take my AOA Studios F128 brush, which is like a brush like this. I don't know why I like it so much for bronzing, but I do. I'm going to take this Sculpted shade, and I'm going to use that as my bronzer. I'm going to take my Sephora Micro Smooth and my AOS Studios F123 brush, and I'm going to set under my eyes. I'm going to bake while I'm waiting on some stuff. I'm going to use my Laura Mercier translucent powder. So I think I'm going to add a little bit of blush to my cheeks just to give me a little bit of something. I'm going to go in with Neo and Eco Tools brush like this. This is just an angled blush brush I always use. And then I'm going to go back in with that brush that had my bronzer on it because I don't like too much blush going on. And then I'm going to go in and take off the bake because I kind of put on too much. And then last, I'm going to just put on some highlight. So I'm going to take this gold color and I'm going to put that on my nose. And then I'm going to put it on my cheeks. I'm going to do a little bit of inner corner highlight. I'm going to put black on my lips and I think I'm going to put red in the center. The shade I want really isn't up here, so I'm going to just go in with whatever concoction I can find. So there's a shade called Infinity Love by Ruby Kisses, and I'm going to go in with that at the center of my lips. It's a really pink color, but surprisingly I actually really like it for some reason. So I'll add a little bit more. So I'm just going to go back in and line over the black just to make sure it doesn't go too milky. That's really pretty though, and I really like it. But I'm going to find some color, hold on, to mix with it. I'm going to add a little bit of Daydream from ColourPop. It's a Matte X color. And I feel like, oh yeah, this is it. Like, I really like it. I just feel like I need a little mascara. And I'll be good. Now, normally, most people will put on lashes. And I would agree for you to put on lashes. But I don't think I have the type of lashes that I want to go with this look. Because I don't like overpowering lashes. So if I can get away with just mascara, I will. But I might need a light lash. I'll find one if I do need it. But most of my lashes are a lot longer. And I don't want at all any long lash. I want a short bushy lash. Like Pat McGrath type lashes. You know, like the lashes that people put on models. That's what I'm looking for today. Alright guys, so that's the end of this video. Go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Please go ahead and share this video so you can gain more people into this potato family. And last but not least, if you have not already done so, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you can join this potato family and grow with your girl. And grow with your girl. Oh, slow it down. Tell me I'm not giving you goth mama tease. Come on now. Come on now. Tell me I'm not. Tell me. Lights in my face. Lights in my face. Tell me I'm not giving you tease. I did this. I did this look. Like, period. Period, poo.